Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is May 28, 2024. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. First up, Tesla has announced a significant update to its full self-driving FSD software. The new version promises enhanced navigation capabilities and improved safety features. This update aims to make autonomous driving more reliable and efficient, reducing the need for human intervention. Tesla's FSD has been a topic of much debate, and this update could be a game-changer in the autonomous vehicle industry. In other news, Tesla's Gigafactory in Berlin has hit a new production milestone. The factory, which has been operational for just over a year, has now produced its 100,000th vehicle. This achievement underscores Tesla's rapid expansion and its commitment to scaling up production to meet growing demand. The Berlin Gigafactory is a crucial part of Tesla's strategy to dominate the European market. Switching gears to energy, Tesla's solar roof installations have seen a significant uptick. The company has reported a 50% increase in installations compared to the same period last year. This surge is attributed to rising energy costs and increased consumer interest in sustainable energy solutions. Tesla's solar roof, which integrates solar panels seamlessly into roof tiles, offers a sleek and efficient alternative to traditional solar panels. On the financial front, Tesla's stock has been on a rollercoaster ride. After a brief dip, the stock has rebounded, driven by strong quarterly earnings and optimistic forecasts for the rest of the year. Analysts are bullish on Tesla's future, citing its innovative products and expanding market presence as key growth drivers. In a fascinating development, Tesla has unveiled a new AI-driven feature for its vehicles. This feature, called Tesla Vision, uses advanced computer vision technology to enhance the car's ability to recognize and respond to its surroundings. Tesla Vision aims to improve the accuracy of object detection and enhance the overall driving experience. This innovation highlights Tesla's ongoing commitment to integrating cutting-edge AI technologies into its vehicles. Lastly, Tesla's Cybertruck has been spotted undergoing rigorous testing. The highly anticipated electric truck is expected to hit the market later this year. Early reviews suggest that the Cybertruck's unique design and impressive performance capabilities could make it a strong contender in the electric truck segment. Tesla fans and industry watchers alike are eagerly awaiting its official release. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for the latest updates in the world of Tesla and technology. Stay charged and drive safe.